The Hong Kong stock market has regained ground but remains well below pre-pandemic levels. But there is a winner in all this. Market volatility combined with global uncertainty and the US-China trade war has turned art into a rare bright spot. Wong with this report.
More than meets the eye. For art investors, this is not just a decoration.
When I talked with some collectors, family offices in Hong Kong, I think maybe 10 years ago, no one considered to put this as a portfolio. Maybe they just collected because of their personal interest. Now the family offices, when they set up their portfolio assets, they consider to put one digit, or some family offices want to put 10% of their portfolio into art because very special characters of art.
A report released in March this year said the global market share of Hong Kong and mainland China's modern and contemporary art doubled from 7% in 2015 to 14% last year. The China Art Market Report said that Asian art is attracting a growing segment of young collectors. It cited that almost 40% of bidders and buyers in Asia now are below 44 years old.
Some experts believe that as art becomes more affordable and accessible, investors may increasingly turn to it as a financial asset. Previously, investing in art required millions of dollars, but today investors can enter the market with works priced below $50,000. One example is that piece over there, which is having a starting bid of about $1,500. Young investors are also exploring beyond conventional pieces and eyeing digital art or AI-generated art today.
According to Dublin-based consultancy Arts Economics, global art sales fell 12% in 2024, marking the second yearly drop since 2022. Yet smaller dealers with turnover less than $250,000 grew 17%, and auctions under $5,000 also rose, showing resilience at the lower end of the market despite weakness at the top.
We are seeing an emergence of a new segment of customers coming into the market, which are the Gen Z, the millennials, which is very exciting. And they are actually propping up what we call the accessible art pieces. And accessible art pieces are pieces that are about $50,000. Yep. So this is contributing to a lot of the growth that we're seeing.
Art's low correlation with conventional investments such as stocks and bonds has made it an attractive option during volatile markets.
Generally, there are more and more people getting interested in art, especially some people treat it as an alternative investment, say, for their financial instruments or financial market, because it is less sensitive to, say, inflation periods, less sensitive to currency fluctuations like those other paper assets, etc.
While the Hong Kong stock market has bounced back with an 18% gain last year and a strong rally into mid-2025, the Hang Seng Index remains well below its pre-pandemic peak.
买这个艺术品会更多一点，因为其实艺术品它也是具有一些历史性和创造性、想象力的这种情况，所以说不论时间怎么去变化，它还是偏向于股票来说更加保值一点的。
现在的国际关系它是比较不稳定的啊，比如说我们就是跟这个以非常具有代表性的中美之间的关系，它对国际上面的金融经济影响特别的大。其实，那这个时候。如果就对普通年轻人来讲，他选择股票的风险可能会特别大，那比较而言，艺术的话，它的长期性和增长价值可能会更高一些。
If recent trends are any guide, art transactions may continue to rise as younger buyers and new investors enter more affordable segments, even if overall growth remains muted. Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.